Do you want to know how you can block Temu emails on your PC? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can block emails from Temu. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, open Temu, make sure you are logged in. And if you are logged in using your Google account, go ahead and open your Gmail. So after you open your Google account, you can search for Temu over here, or if else the Temu is already appearing, click on the link. Now what you need to do is click on the more option which you can see on the right hand side of your screen. Tap on more and you can see block Temu. After you click block Temu, go ahead and click block again. And you can see that you have blocked orders at order.temu.com. So new message from this sender will be sent to spam. And you can see that you can also click on block sender once again. Click on block, and this way you can block or unblock Temu mail on your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.